No man deserves this pasta. Let's just say they'll have to work very hard for it. Everyone always talks about a marry me pasta. Well, this is mine. This is the most delicious pasta ever. It's my spaghetti bolognese. It is so easy to make. It comes together in just under 30 minutes, and let's just say it will impress everyone, even the in-laws. For every good, delicious pasta sauce, you need a solid base. So to start off with, we're going to be using 2 red onions. You want to dice that up very well, and then in a pan, add in some vegetable oil and start to fry the onions. Don't want to add in too much vegetable oil, only around 1/4 cup. And then you want to add in some chopped garlic. I used around 6-7 cloves, and also add in some ginger and garlic paste. Now, if you don't have the ginger garlic paste, you can skip it out. It's not a necessity, but it makes such a big difference. I'm using 500 grams of minced lamb and adding that to my pan. You want to fry this for around 2 to 3 minutes, just until the color starts to change of the meat, and then add in 2 cups of water. Give that a really good mix, and then you're going to add in 2 large tomatoes. I've actually made this pasta so many times in my house and my family love it. My sister has made me promise her that even when I get married, I will make this for her at least once a week. Once the tomatoes are chopped, add it to your pan and let it simmer for around 5 minutes. In the meantime, I have also boiled my water for the pasta, so to that I added in some salt and vegetable oil. After 5 minutes, it's now time to season our mince. The seasoning for our mince is very basic. I'm using some salt, black pepper, red chili powder, and also red chili flakes. Again, give this a really good mix and allow it to cook on the stove for 10 minutes. Whilst that is cooking, our water has started to boil, and now it is time to add in our spaghetti. This is 500 grams of spaghetti. Our minced lamb has been cooking for 10 minutes, and now it's time to add in the remaining ingredients. I'm using tomato passata. You can find this anywhere, and you have to add this to your sauce. I used 500 grams of tomato passata, and to that I'm adding in 2 chicken stock cubes. Obviously, ensure that when you do mix this, you do it very slowly because it will just go everywhere. What I love about this recipe that I have created is that it is so easy to measure, because you need 500 grams of spaghetti, you need 500 grams of minced lamb, and 500 grams of passata. So yeah, it's just amazing. I also chopped some fresh parsley. Trust me, do not miss this out. It makes all the difference. Once the spaghetti is cooked, drain out the water, and now it's time to assemble the pasta, which is my favorite part. So I always mix in a little bit of the mince first, just to ensure that all of the spaghetti is coated really well. I added in some grated mozzarella, and then I'm going in with some more pasta sauce. I like to mix in the sauce in 3 steps. This is to ensure that the spaghetti is equally covered in the sauce. And finally, I'm adding in the remaining sauce on top. And I'm going to be using some fresh mozzarella because it makes the biggest difference ever. Now, you don't have to use fresh mozzarella, however, I promised you that this is a marry me pasta. So it is important you follow the recipe and the steps as I have shown you. I also added in the fresh parsley. The secret is to let it sit on the top for around 5 minutes and then mix it in. It is so satisfying when the spaghetti mixes in with the mince, the fresh mozzarella, and the parsley. Trust me, this is so delicious. I can promise you anyone who makes this will absolutely love this recipe. I know so many people gatekeep recipes, but I love sharing my recipes, and I want everyone to experience the same joy that I experience whilst I cook. I don't know about anyone else, but one thing about me, I can never be a gatekeeper. Unless I'm running a restaurant or something, because then, I don't know, I might have to gatekeep. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I will list the full ingredients in the caption below, and yeah, happy cooking.